Welcome to the chart. So right here on USD JPY, we are going to take a look into how prices are going to move for the day. So today is a Tuesday. As we predicted on Monday, we can expect a sell to buy. So price sold down to this zone, and you can see price retesting these other blocks. We expect a grab of liquidity and a buy to the upside on this pair. However, if this is broken, we can expect price to retest this zone or this zone, however the case may be. On Euro USD, as we predicted on Monday, if you followed us, we were expecting a buy to sell. So you can see price buying to this zone, and we can expect price to sell further down, come back here, take out this liquidity zone before a drive further up. On USD CHF, as predicted before, we're expecting price to sell down to this zone. However, price did not sell down to this zone. Price came to this king order block right here to retest it, and we can expect a push further up. On Euro JPY, this is not a major pair. We will not be analyzing this. So on AUD USD, this is a major pair, so we can see price coming back to this fair value gap right here. What is a fair value gap? A fair value gap is an area in price which lead to no trading activity by the opposing force. So the opposing forces right here are the buyers. So in this zone, you have little to no buying activity right here. So this is the zone where price retested. That's a fair value gap. That's why in trading, every position should be taken according to research. You don't just take a trade based on feelings or based on maniac action. So on NZD USD, we're also expecting a buy to sell. So you can see price buying to this zone, so you can expect price to sell further down after grabbing this liquidity right here. On GBP USD, we're expecting a buy to sell as well. So you can see, just as predicted, price bought to this zone, so you can expect price to sell further down. On USD card, we're also expecting a sell to buy. However, price did not come to this liquidity zone, so you can consider this an accumulation. So on gold, this is not a major pair. We wouldn't be analyzing this, but let's just take an analysis of this. We can see a liquidity grab, so we're expecting a drop on gold. On BTC USD, we're expecting a buy to sell, so price bought to this zone. However, price is selling down here. Nevertheless, we can see price retesting this other block, so we can expect some push up before a further drop down. So that is all for all. As always, plan your trade your plan. Most importantly, manage your risk and emotions.